Did you know that cornstarch is very good for skincare and skin relief? Yes, cornstarch powder and cornstarch itself can be used. This added with aloe vera gel. You know aloe vera and high now. This added together is a good combination for your skin. And this is what I'll be showing you in this video. You do not want to miss out on any of the tip in this video. Stay tuned as I'll be dropping so many videos for you to see on how to make the cornstarch and the application of the cornstarch. Welcome back and welcome to my channel. I have my aloe vera gel and my cornstarch already mixed together. Yes, look at my skin. It is already washed and dried. And that day was also my hair wash day. I just washed my hair. And I'm going to be applying the cornstarch on my hair and on my skin. But in this video, I will be showing you just the one I applied on my skin. So you want to take note of the application. You just do not rub it anyhow on your skin, just dragging and scrubbing anyhow. You do that in a random motion. See how I massage and rub it in very well. In a circular motion, random, circular. Yes, you want to focus on your under eye where if you probably have an eye bag or you have a sunburn. Now you want to be patient with your massaging. I have always told you on your scalp, on your skin, you need to massage whatever treatment you're applying thereof so that they can enter well into your pores and your skin, your scalp, your hair can benefit from any treatment you are giving to them. Now quickly let's see what cornstarch does for skin care. It can help in oil control, absorb excess oil and create a silky dry feel. It can also help improve the skin's absorption of other ingredients. So if you are looking at applying other treatments on your skin, you want to try this first so that it can easily absorb other ingredients and can be used to dry out, break out without causing irritation. Now for your skin relief, this can help to soothe sunburns and reduce skin itchiness. Now this video up here, if you've not seen it, I'll drop it somewhere in the middle of the video or at the end of the video so you can have a look at it and see how to do your own aloe vera gel, storing it at home, preserving it without spoilage for weeks naturally without refrigerating. Now to the aloe vera, you know that we've been talking about aloe vera. You've been hearing so many things about aloe vera. Its work, it is so good for both your hair and your skin and body. Aloe vera is a home remedy to deal with dry, flaky skin. It is believed to have soothing properties to restore smooth, supple skin. I'm sure you want that. And moisturizes the skin. It also improves skin hydration. Now look at my skin after a little minute of massaging. I was so glad with the results that I couldn't even take my eyes off the face. Look at that smile. Yeah, that's the smile of somebody that is seeing the effect of our treatment on our skin. Now I use this to treat whenever I'm having a dry skin. And this is the result after the application. See my face glowing. Thank you and God bless. Bye.